Hey,
There's a purple one.
we're getting ducked.
We're getting ducked. I was gonna do the same thing.
Alrighty, leaving Waldorf. We're coming up, and this is the way to get up to the mine. I believe this is Santiago Mine. Just more little rocks. Not a difficult drive. And then when we're finished with Argentine Mine, way out in the distance over there, that's Argentine Pass. Argentine Pass in that direction. Sorry for the shaky video, the road's really bumpy. But yeah, after we check out the mine, we'll head up to Argentine Pass. Here we are up at the mine, and we're standing in the blacksmith shop. Completely creepy with the door. So let's look around here. There is where they used to sort all the minerals and whatnot right there. You can see that's where one of the chutes were, where they dumped the carts. Blacksmith shed. And the mine is actually right there. They collapsed it down and barred it off so you can't get through. But you can see the tracks used to come here, and they actually used to come out here, and there was a bridge that went across, that went right there, so all the material that they pulled out of the mine could go through all of that and get sorted. And then the rail system would actually transport all the ore that they collected from here out through Waldorf, which was right down over there, and back down into town. But all of this is tailings. They actually dug out the tailings that were here because the stuff that they used when they were mining, the ground was contaminated, so they took that off and then covered it with material that they dug out from back down the trail a little bit. But yeah, this mine was running up till not too long ago. I think the 80s, but don't quote me on that. You can't really see it, but this rock wall is sparkling pretty good. So I think we found a bunch of gold, guys. That's it. YouTube channel's over. I'm retiring. So who's gonna help me bring this rock home? Yeah. Done with lunch, right? Okay, done with lunch, and we're done with mine. So we're gonna go back through Waldorf and head up to the top of Argentine Pass. Alrighty, we just left Waldorf and we are going up Argentine right now. So I know there's a couple other Jeep groups that went up there, so we may encounter some narrow road shifting around coming up here. Got little rock walls coming up here. Those look fun.
Yeah, I don't know how to. This way?
Yeah, keep past your side tires on those rocks right there.
What do you go?
Straight and scraping.
Break something.
You made it.
No, I'm gonna break something.
Good
Where's
stuff.
my lift?
Your lift is on its way.
Hurry up.
little bit of scraping from the Panda too. Not bad though. A little bit of water here.
Splash.
Splash through the water.
Ooh, I got it up high.
There's a bunch of ice in
Which
the
way?
pond.
This way?
I think they both end up in the same direction, same spot. We continue to climb up Argentine here. It's pretty steep. It's kind of hard to tell on camera here, but let me see if I can hold it level. There you go. You kind of see the door, so you can kind of see how steep we are here. And the view is quite amazing. But we are well above timberline, so I believe Argentine Pass peaks out at 13,100 feet. So we get to see what it looks like up here. Check out those clouds just creeping across the sky. The continued signs of these higher altitude trails are starting to show their ugly faces. We have ice and snow on the trail. We're gonna carry on. Looks like we still have a dry patch on the left-hand side where the drop-off is, so I'm still feeling pretty safe. Continue on. As we continue up, the tracks of whoever tried this trail before us come to an end right here.
That is deep.
That is pretty deep. Let's see what happens here. See if we can get through this at all. Carry some momentum.
Yeah, so don't want to slide down the side of the hill.
And we came to a stop. Alrighty. Alright, well, let's figure this out. Yeah, we're gonna call it quits here. This is really deep snow, and we keep shifting sideways, and that's a long ways down. So we're just gonna hook a winch on it and pull our back end back up to the track here with Panda, and then we'll get backed off this mountain here. That's for you guys. Don't winch off of a tow ball. You need an actual hitch shackle like that. Cosmetic rope, don't let it drag across the ground. And we'll have them pull up the tension here.
Oh yeah, I got it.
Oh, didn't engage it? Alrighty, let me get out of the danger zone here.
Okay, hello everyone and welcome to Wife Cam. Always fun, not. We're freezing. It is so cold. He's hitting the snow again and he's just turning his back end farther. He's nothing. If he can turn backwards, he'll bring his butt around. Oh, come on, babe. Not how this was supposed to go. There we go, that's much better. Straighten his, yeah, straighten. Pull him back, Dad. Oh gosh. Oh my God. Not funny, stop laughing. No, he's saying hold. Oh. Why don't I? I thought he was laughing laughing about it. I'm like, why would you laugh about that? If you're trying to go back and get bigger on kind of this tire, I can go. Yeah, it's. Oh God! Okay, tell him to hold for 1 second. Oh God. Hold for 1 second and we'll get more of that snow out of the way.
Didn't die. Just about. Yeah, well, we're just about back on. We're no longer like off the shelf because all we were doing was sliding sideways here. So we dug it out.
Wife's cam is pretty awful.
Yeah. Just to give you guys an idea, we were up there and we just kept shifting and my tires were right there. So we shifted sideways a good 3 or 4 feet trying to back out. But Trail Panda to the rescue. And that is a long way down there.
This is not what wheeling is supposed to be.
No.
No. I am not cool with this part.
Alrighty, let's get this thing back on the road.
You just said that on video. No, I know. This is awful. Now we've got like both husbands and kids in here. Oh God. Okay. This is the scary part. He has to turn toward the cliff in order to do this. Yay! Woo!
I should have worn my brown pants.
Oh my God! Not even funny right now! You can be funny in a few minutes, too soon! Oh, thank the Lord. Don't do this at home! This is not the way it's supposed to be done. And since I'm the one that got us into this mess, how long do you think he's going to give me grief? Oh. Yay! Woohoo! Okay, time to go home, or time to go back down the mountain and get a stiff drink. Oh, yeah.
All right, so we didn't die. You can see right up there, that's where we ended up getting stuck. It was pretty deceiving up there. It looked like, you know, a few inches of snow in the way, like 6 to 8 inches. It ended up being like 18 inches to a foot. And it was about 20 degrees off camber on a shelf road. Bad decision the whole entire way. The fact that somebody else's tire marks went, stopped, and they backed out should have been a dead giveaway for us. But, you know, a little bit of cockiness and arrogance got the best of me, and I kind of pushed us along. But anyways, we got ourselves winched out. As you saw initially, we were winched in the center here, but we ended up moving over to the side hook in order to pull the back of the Jeep back onto the trail, just using a little bit of angles. But we're on our way out here. I think I've had enough wheeling for today. We're going to do McClellan, but I think the high altitude passes are done for the season. So, and just like that, we're off the trail. We're about to air up. Argentine Pass definitely did get the best of us. About 18 inches of snow at the top there. Almost threw us off the shelf road, but was fun nonetheless. So that's Trail Panda, baby Trail Panda. So we're gonna get aired up here, call it a day, go home. Work starts tomorrow, so lick our wounds, and we're done. Anyways, check you later. Thank you for watching. If you made it this far, please consider subscribing, like the video, comment below, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.